In today's video, I'll show you how to create an event in Calendly step by step. Whether you're scheduling consultations, coaching sessions, interviews, or team meetings, creating event types is the key to letting people book time with you automatically. First, sign into your Calendly account and go to your dashboard. Once you're logged in, locate the Event Types section. This is where all your bookable meeting templates are created and managed. Now, click the Create or New Event Type button. Calendly will give you several event options, such as a one-on-one meeting, group event, collective event, or round-robin event. For most users, a one-on-one event is the best place to start. Next, enter a name for your event. Choose something clear that tells people exactly what they're booking, such as discovery call, consultation, or project meeting. After that, set the event duration. You can choose common options like 15, 30, or 60 minutes, or enter a custom length. Now, select the meeting location. You can choose a phone call, an in-person meeting, or a video conferencing platform, such as Zoom or Google Meet if you have those integrations connected. Next, configure your availability. Choose when people can book this event and which availability schedule it should use. You can also add buffer time before or after meetings to give yourself time to prepare or take notes. Now, customize the booking form. Add any questions you'd like invitees to answer before scheduling, such as their company name, project details, or the purpose of the meeting. You can also customize confirmation messages, reminders, and cancellation policies if needed. Once everything looks good, click Save to publish the event. Your new event is now live and ready to accept bookings. To share it, simply copy the event link and send it through email, social media, messaging apps, or add it to your website. Before finishing, open the booking link yourself and complete a test booking to make sure the event settings, availability, and notifications are working correctly. And that's it. You've successfully created an event in Calendly and made it available for people to book online. And that's how you create an event in Calendly. Share this video and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.